Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a video on your Chromebook. First of all, you go to your Google Play Store and download this app. It's called Photo Video Maker. Now this app is really efficient. I've used this to make most of my videos and you can too. So you click here, make videos. As you can see, I'm going offline for some reasons. Now here you choose the pictures or the images you want for your video, and I'm choosing the ones I want right now for my video. And when I'm done, I'll click next to view the images that I've picked for my video. Now I'll click next again. Here you are meant to choose the song you want. That is the song that suits your video, the one that you're happy with. And I'll choose this. Now you choose how you want it to go, whether random or window or gradients or translational, anyone you want. When you're done with that, click next and to save your video. Now you have to wait for the video to save. When it saves, it is sent right to your gallery, and that's how you make your video. Thanks for watching, and I'll be logging off right now.